Hi guys, Diana here from DianaGraceThompson.com, and I just wanted to shoot this quick testimonial video for our My Credit system. So before going through the My Credit system, I really didn't know much about credit. I had learned here over the years a few things here and there, but nothing to make me actually take action. Just when you're confused, you do nothing, most people, and that's what I did until I went through the system and I was able to increase my credit score by 51 points in the last 6 months. So I'm excited about that, and I would recommend that you take action. If you see these testimonial videos or if you see the educational videos, I would recommend you engage, take action, and achieve your goals. Okay, what is your goal? Do you want to have a 750 credit score, 850 credit score? Set a goal, learn, then implement. And so that's all I got for you today, and I hope to see you participating in the challenge. Bye for now.